everyone, welcome back to our channel. As we gear up for the holiday season, it's time to bring that festive cheer into the office. Today we've got an exciting list of 48 office Christmas decorating ideas for 2024 that are not only fun and creative, but also easy DIY projects. So grab your tinsel and glue guns and let's get started. 1. Hang candy canes. Kick off the festivities by hanging candy canes around the office. They're sweet, simple, and instantly festive. 2. Transform desks into gingerbread houses. Get creative by turning your desks into gingerbread houses using paper, cardboard, and candy decorations. 3. Hang Christmas boots on the wall. Add a touch of tradition by hanging Christmas boots filled with treats on the walls. It's a great way to spread holiday cheer. 4. Make a snowman. Build a snowman using office supplies or paper. It's a fun team activity and makes for a great office centerpiece. 5. Decorate the door with a Christmas wreath. Welcome everyone with a beautiful Christmas wreath on your office door. You can DIY with pine cones, ribbons, and ornaments. 6. Cover the ceiling with stars. Transform the office ceiling into a starry night with hanging paper stars. It's magical and easy to do. 7. Make paper Santas. Craft some adorable paper Santas to add a jolly touch to your office decorations. 8. Get playful with balloons. Use balloons in festive colors to create a playful and cheerful atmosphere. Balloons always bring joy. 9. Striped ribbon welcome gate. Create a grand entrance with striped ribbons as a welcome gate. It's simple yet very festive. 10. Layer up the office with streamers. Drape streamers across the office for a festive and vibrant look. 11. Dangle Santa stockings. Hang Santa stockings around the office for a cozy and festive feel. Fill them with small treats for added fun. 12. Light up the workplace. Brighten up the workspace with fairy lights. They add a warm and magical glow to any setting. 13. Festive floral arrangements. Create festive floral arrangements with poinsettias and other seasonal flowers to bring a touch of nature indoors. 14. Decorate the office walls. Deck the walls with Christmas-themed decals, posters, and garlands to spread holiday cheer throughout the office. 15. Decorate the office floor for Christmas. Don't forget the floor. Use festive rugs or floor decals to make every step feel like Christmas. 16. Accessorize twig tree. A minimalist twig tree can be a chic addition to any office space. Decorate it with small ornaments and fairy lights. 17. Christmas window decorations. Spruce up the windows with snowflakes, stars, and other festive decals. It creates a winter wonderland effect. 18. Hang pictures of employees. Create a sense of community by hanging pictures of employees in festive frames. It's a personal touch everyone will appreciate. 19. Use pine cones as ornaments. Pine cones make perfect natural ornaments. You can paint them or leave them as they are for a rustic feel. 20. Consider using pom-poms. Add some playful texture with pom-pom garlands. They're easy to make and look great. 21. Craft bird ornaments. Craft some cute bird ornaments to add a unique touch to your office decorations. 22. DIY deer cups. Turn ordinary cups into reindeer cups with googly eyes and pipe cleaner antlers. 23. Hang mini wreaths. Mini wreaths are perfect for adding a festive touch to cubicles and small spaces. 24. Christmas chair adornments. Don't forget the chairs. Add festive covers or ribbons to make them holiday ready. 25. Turn mittens into an advent calendar. Create a fun advent calendar using mittens. 26. Add Christmas sparkle. Add some sparkle to your decor with glitter ornaments and accents. It's the season to shine. 27. Make a snowy wreath. Craft a snowy wreath with faux snow and winter decorations for a classic holiday look. 28. Top the Christmas tree with bells. Instead of a star, top your Christmas tree with bells for a jingling twist. 29. Gift wrapping. Use beautifully wrapped gifts as decorations around the office. It adds a festive and generous vibe. 30. Nutcracker Suite. Incorporate nutcracker figures into your decor. They're a timeless holiday classic. 31. The 12 Days of Christmas. Create decorations inspired by the 12 Days of Christmas song for a fun and thematic approach. 32. For decoration, grab bag. Organize a grab bag event with festive wrapping. It's fun and brings a sense of surprise and joy. 33. Cozy cabins. Decorate with miniature cozy cabin models for a rustic, homey feel. 34. Choose teams. Encourage office teams to decorate their areas with specific themes. It's great for team building and creativity. 35. Decorations for the reception area. Make a great first impression with a beautifully decorated reception area. It sets the festive tone for everyone who enters. 36. Tinseltown. Go all out with tinsel. Decorate desks, doors, and even ceilings to create your very own Tinseltown. 37. Office corner arrangement. Transform an office corner into a festive nook with comfortable seating and decorations. 38. White Christmas trees. White Christmas trees bring a snowy, elegant look to your office. Decorate them with blue or silver ornaments for a classy touch. 39. Brass ring wreath. For a modern twist, make a brass ring wreath. It's minimalistic yet very stylish. 40. Making mini trees. Place mini Christmas trees on desks for a personal touch. Decorate them with tiny ornaments and lights. 41. Lined candle jars. Line up candle jars with festive designs to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 42. Garland accents. Use garlands to accentuate different areas of the office. They're versatile and instantly festive. 43. Jumbo outdoor lights. Bring jumbo outdoor lights indoors for a bold and bright decoration idea. 44. Snowflake presents. Wrap presents with snowflake paper and use them as decorations. They add a festive and wintry touch. 45. Hangings. Hang various Christmas-themed ornaments and decorations from the ceiling to create a whimsical look. 46. Rope lights. Use rope lights to outline desks, doors, and windows. 47. Festive banner. Create a festive banner with holiday greetings to hang in a common area. 48. Christmas chair covers. Finish off your decor with Christmas-themed chair covers. They're a simple way to add a festive touch to the entire office. There you have it, 50 amazing and affordable office Christmas decorating ideas for 2024. These DIY projects are sure to bring holiday cheer to your workspace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more festive ideas. Happy decorating and happy holidays!